going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 350 Slate. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start off with a normal 350 box. You got 350 right here on top of the box. You got Boost on this side. This side says Yeezy 350 V2 made by Adidas. Then the front of the box reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2 and the colorway is Slate, Sea Black, and Slate. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much the same as normal pull-out box. Same cream tissue paper on the inside, nothing spectacular. So we're going to go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Yeezy 350 Slate. Let's go. Alright. First of all, I want to start off by saying this colorway is actually not bad. First of all, everybody was saying it was gray. Then some people were saying it was beige. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get these in hand so I can know what colorway it is for myself. And the colorway is beige. This is nowhere near gray. It's just not gray. I don't even understand why they call it Slate. Colorway is beige, so they should have said Yeezy 350 beige. But we got Slate, so let's go ahead and get into the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, we got an all Primeknit upper, pretty much all beige. I'm going with the beige color. Some people, you can still stick with just gray, but it's all beige. You got this normal SPLY 350 all black line coming across the side of the shoe. To me, this is what brings out the shoe, the SPLY 350. It's just something about it that I like. I like the ones that don't have it also, but it's just something about the ones that do have it. To me, it just brings the shoe out. Personal preference for me, but that's pretty much all we got on this side of the shoe. We're gonna flip right here back to the other side. Nothing on this side, but as you can see, the little speckles of the black going all between the Primeknit on this side of the shoe. Going to the back, doesn't have a pull tab on this 350. It's just a regular little back tab. Nothing too, spectacular about it. You got the 3 stripes right here on the back of the heel of the shoe. Inside of the shoe says Yeezy. No 350, just Yeezy right there. Come back to the front of the shoe. You got these all beige shoelaces, regular laces, not interlock laces. So regular laces, no extra laces. This is all we got. Pretty much that's all you need. And that's pretty much it for this part of the shoe. We're going to go to the side and the bottom of the shoe. You got this all rubber bottom that's in that beige colorway. We're going to flip to the bottom. You got that all beige rubber bottom with that boost on the bottom. All about the boost in the 350s that makes them super comfy. And yeah, that's pretty much all we got is all beige and black 350. Very nice colorway to me. It's getting you ready for the fall. Giving me fall vibes. You can wear it any time of the year, but to me this colorway is it's gonna be a good colorway for fall. That's pretty much it for this left shoe. Right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got that all beige upper and that Primeknit, the SPLY 350 black stripe coming across this side of the shoe. Going to the front of the shoe right here, you got those all beige laces. Like I said, no extra laces. Flipping to the other side where you still got that, you can see the little specks of the black going on this side in the background of the shoe. On this side, it came with this tab. It just says the same normal Yeezy Boost 350 right there. And then your size on this tab, and then this side right here it just says made with recyclable materials, because we all know that they're trying to make everything now with recyclable materials, so that's what we got out of these. And on the inside of the shoe, you just got that Yeezy. And this one, you do actually have the globe. Some of them don't have the globe, but most of the newer models do have the globe going on the inside, because like they are made with recyclable materials. We're gonna go to the side of the shoe right here where you still got that all beige rubber coming across the side, and then the bottom of the shoe, all beige, and then you got that white boost on the bottom of the shoe. Like I said, overall, very nice shoe, very clean shoe. I like the colorway. Many people didn't really go for this colorway this time. I can understand why, because I mean they're starting to push out 350s a lot, but to me it's just a very comfy shoes that I love to wear to the gym. So of course most of the time when they do come out, I'm going to try to cop just because I love the comfortability of them. Sizing wise, and these I actually sized a whole full size up this time, and they actually fit perfectly. So I would say if you're going for these ones right here, I would go for a whole size up, or you can still do half a size up, but these I want a whole full size up and they still fit perfect. It's something about this Primeknit, and this one is a little extra tighter than the normal ones. I don't know what's going on with the Yeezys. It's missing hit or miss with Yeezy these days. So pretty much if you're able to try them on before you get them, I would definitely try them on first to make sure you pick the right size. But like I said, these right here, I did go a whole full size up and they fit just right. And yeah, so but that's pretty much all I got for y'all on these. Like I said, this colorway is the Slate colorway, and it's pretty much just like a flip of the regular the black and white colorway that came out, the Oreo colorway that came out earlier this year. As you can see, it's pretty much the same shoe. It just flipped inside out. I mean, we had these first, and then now we got these, and it's just a flip. They took this little SPLY 350 on this one, flipped it to this shoe, made this the whole shoe, and then just added a black stripe. So pretty much you got the same shoes. You got one dark one, and you got one light one. Same exact colorway. So if you go for going for these and you had these, and just know that this shoe right here is gonna be the same exact color as this little stripe on this shoe right here. So don't go in there thinking you're getting gray, because you're not. You're gonna get a light beige, which is the color of this shoe. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This was the Yeezy 350 Slate. They came out today. They came out for on September 3rd, retail for $230, which is new price for Yeezys these days. So yeah, prices are rising. They're rising on Yeezys. They're rising on Jordans. Prices are rising, period. So I can understand if you didn't go for these, but if you did, very nice shoe, very fall-like shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you try to go for these today? Did you pass on them, or are you gonna wait for the next Yeezy to come out? Or are 350s dead? A lot of people don't even go for 350s anymore. So just let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. And that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. If you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Hit that like button, y'all. If you're watching the video, go ahead and just hit the like button and just keep it moving if you want to. But like, hit that like button for me to get my video out there a little bit more. And if you follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at SnkrMom1721. And that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.